Oh, I think Vanessa saw it first.
Hey guys, it's Taylor
and Vanessa, and today we're going shopping.
But our mom is not just gonna let us spend a bunch of money. She said that there's going to be a challenge in this shopping.
So today, the shopping challenge is you guys can get whatever you want, but you can't talk the whole time. If you talk, you get nothing. So you have to try and communicate where you want to go, what you want to do.
I wish I knew sign language. What'd she say? She's already doing it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, why don't you tell them to subscribe first and then we'll start it.
Okay, I'm like, can I talk now?
Well, Vanessa's already losing her voice, so I guess this is a perfect challenge to do.
Yes. But if you're new to our channel, welcome, but please hit that subscribe button to be part of the Vanessa squad.
And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys share this video with a friend.
But let's get on with the video.
We're twinning today, too. We're both wearing blue. Look at us in our blonde hair. We look... I wonder if they can tell the difference. Well, ready?
My head's on your body and your head's on my body.
Alright girls, so you guys ready to start the challenge?
No.
No.
Alright, no more talking as of now. So, no sounds either. You need cough medicine? You need a cough drop. You're coughing into your elbow. Why do you keep eating yourself? She needs a cough medicine. Oh, can she cough? Yes, yes, she can cough. Okay, so where should we start? We're at this mall. Like, where should we start? It's over there. It's over there. Are you trying to finger spell? You. That's not a finger. That's not a letter. Nope. No. So we know what that is. Is that R? You got a hook. You want to go to the Disney store. I want to go to the Disney store too. Taylor wants to go wash the windows. You're pointing at a lady. That lady does not want to take you shopping. Nope. Yep, see? They're walking away from you. Don't cry. She wants to go to the little store. The little inn store. What is that? She wants to go to a train store. Get on my train. I can't read lips. You're looking and walking. You're looking and walking and pointing. And itsy bitsy spider. Oh, I think Taylor's supposed to start off by walking and looking around. Is that what you want to do? No. All right, Vanessa doesn't want to do that, so I guess we're just going to sit here and wait for Vanessa. Oh, you want to go there? Yeah, yeah. That I can understand. You guys agree? Vanessa's excited because it's on sale. Where's Waldo? I got it. Brooklyn, are you from Brooklyn? Oh, heartbreaker. What it says. That's cute. Only losers. How tall you are? Size. What size you are? Small. Oh, long or short? I don't know, you're average. But that's cute. It's long. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? Are you round? I don't get your sign language. Are you like a ball? How low can you go? Like, what's going on here? Where does the shirt go now? Show the kids where the shirt goes. You want that in a bigger size. You don't know if you want that in a bigger size. Do you want that in a bigger size? I don't know, guys. Does she want this in a bigger size? You gotta decide what you want. Taylor has a theme going. Oh yeah, it's kind of, look at this. They have a theme going, don't they? Oh, it's Pepsi. Oh, is Pepsi a thing right now? Yeah, I like it. That's cute too. Okay, I think you need to switch it up with the color thing though. Yeah, I know you saw it too. You heart Mickey. Oh, is he your boyfriend? Is he your crush? Maybe not. What? What are those? Oh, I think Vanessa saw it first. Oh no. Those are the same colors. Those are the same colors. Same colors. Well, maybe you guys can share wardrobes and then you'll have different colors. Yeah. You can't go to college there. It's too far away. I'd miss you too much. I know Taylor like that too. You can't go that far. We'd have to move out there. You don't like that at all, do you? No? You don't like it? No. Okay. Put it back then. You've been looking. You see a cactus. You are a cactus? What is happening? Oh, you see right through it. Bummer. Oh, that's sweet. You better not talk, Vanessa, otherwise. You want that? You like that? I think it looks nice on you. Do not worry. That's cute. I get it. Are you done? No, it looks like Vanessa's not. We live in Florida. You'll break your neck. Rethink those. Where do you live? No, it's not gold. Alright, so I think Taylor's done. That's good. Alright, what do you got? You don't have to try them on. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wow. Nice. Did you seriously only find 2 shirts? Oh, you think you can win? It says every cup is a winner, and there's a bunch of Starbucks cups. Look at Vanessa sitting there so unimpressed. You're not going, you're spending a whole $1. Don't pout. Around the rosy. Money. Around the rosy. The machine. Pay the machine. Shake the machine. Nope. All right, what store are we gonna go to next? What is that, Ness? All right, guys, one more store. Can you make it without talking? Huh? 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 Taylor found something right off the bat. See? Suckers! Aww. That might get lost in the wash. NASA, my little space head. Why are you dabbing? What movie is that from? What? The what?
Did I win? I won.
Why did you answer me?
The Lion King. I won. Well, we all knew I was gonna win. No clothes.
I wanted the Lion King.
Something deep down inside me told you told me that you'd be the one to lose.
I'm the shy one. I don't talk.
Yeah, she's really good at not talking.
It's kind of
I feel kind of hurt at this moment.
like literally that's like my.
Alright, Nessa, well, let's go check you out. Sorry, Taylor, nothing. Alright, Vanessa, let's go check you out. And Taylor, you lose.
We're gonna end this video right here, guys. So if you guys want to see yesterday's video, it's gonna be right over there. And if you want to see more challenges, it's gonna be right below there.
And we'll see you guys over there.
Bye.